Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your environment matches the requirement, Python 3, 5, or newer. Create a project folder and add a top-level main. Py that imports the package and calls a main function. This file is the zip app entry point. Once done, ensure any third-party modules are present inside the folder or will be vendored. Otherwise, the zip won't run. Make sure to keep the package layout flat and predictable, so the runtime can import modules correctly when compressed. You now create the zip archive that Python will execute. The cleanest method is Python m zipapp mipraj o myap, piz m pkg, main because zipapp builds a proper runnable file with module entry. Alternatively, you can zip r myap, zip, and prepend a shebang like hash, /usr/bin/env python3 to make it directly executable. Then set the executable permission with chmod +x on Unix. Once done, verify the archive contains main. You finish by running the zip /myap, piz or Python myap. Piz, on Windows use Python myap. Piz. If execution fails, read the traceback and address the root cause. Module not found error usually means a missing dependency or wrong package layout, so make sure you included required packages inside the archive or adjust Python path. If the shebang doesn't invoke the right interpreter, run the exact Python binary you tested with. One quick tip: unzip the archive to inspect contents when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.